Squirrels are everywhere, darting through trees, raiding bird feeders, and performing acrobatic feats that seem almost supernatural. But have you ever wondered what drives their odd behaviors, like burying nuts only to forget them or seemingly kissing other squirrels? These backyard daredevils aren't just random scurrying rodents. They're masters of deception, memory, and survival with skills that rival any urban ninja. Understanding their unique adaptations will change the way you see these fluffy-tailed gymnasts forever. 2020. Tail Warning System. Squirrels communicate danger through distinctive tail signals that function as a warning system for others nearby. By flicking, waving, or twitching their bushy tails in specific ways, they can signal the presence of different predators. These visual cues quickly alert other squirrels in the area, giving them time to hide, freeze, or escape. Because this communication spreads rapidly through the group, it greatly improves their chances of survival. Tail signaling allows squirrels to share vital information about threats in their environment. If you think this shocking, the next one will blow your mind even further. 19. Expandable cheeks. Squirrels have flexible cheek pouches that allow them to transport large amounts of food in a single trip. These elastic cheeks can stretch dramatically, sometimes expanding to nearly 3 times the size of their head. By stuffing nuts, seeds, and other food inside, squirrels can quickly gather resources and carry them back to safer places for storage. This ability helps them build food caches efficiently during times of abundance, ensuring they have enough supplies to survive periods when food becomes scarce. 18. Brain expansion. Squirrels possess a remarkable seasonal adaptation called brain expansion. During the winter months, parts of their brain, especially the hippocampus, which controls spatial memory, actually grow larger. This change helps squirrels remember the exact locations of hundreds of buried food caches hidden across forests and parks. As snow covers the ground and food becomes scarce, this enhanced memory becomes critical for survival. By recalling where each nut was stored, squirrels can recover their supplies and endure long, harsh winters with surprising efficiency. 17. Squirrel deception. Squirrels use clever deception to protect their stored food. When they sense another squirrel or animal watching, they may pretend to bury a nut in the ground. The squirrel digs a hole, covers it with soil, and pats it down, but never actually leaves any food inside. This fake cache misleads potential thieves and draws attention away from the real hiding places. By performing these convincing decoys, squirrels improve the chances that their carefully stored nuts remain safe for later. 16. Tooth regeneration. Squirrels have a powerful dental adaptation that keeps them ready for constant gnawing. Their 4 front incisors, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, never stop growing throughout their lives. These teeth can grow about 6 inches each year. Because squirrels regularly chew on hard nuts, seeds, and bark, their teeth wear down quickly. Continuous growth replaces this wear, ensuring their bite remains sharp and effective. Without this steady renewal, squirrels would struggle to open tough food sources and survive. 15. Advanced visual processing. Squirrels rely on extremely fast visual processing to move safely through trees. When leaping between branches, they can analyze complex visual information in just milliseconds. This quick assessment helps them judge distance, detect branch flexibility, and adjust their body position while still in the air. By reacting so rapidly, squirrels can correct their trajectory before landing. This split-second decision-making allows them to perform daring parkour-like jumps across the forest canopy while avoiding dangerous falls and reaching precise targets. 14. Surviving falls. Low terminal velocity squirrels are surprisingly capable of surviving falls from great heights. Their small body size keeps their terminal velocity low, meaning they do not reach extremely dangerous speeds while falling. Their large, bushy tail also acts like a parachute, increasing air resistance and slowing their descent. As they fall, squirrels instinctively position their bodies to land feet first, spreading the impact across their limbs. This combination of lightweight bodies, aerodynamic tails, and controlled landings allows squirrels to survive falls that would seriously injure many other animals. 13. 180 degrees ankle rotation. Squirrels have a unique anatomical feature that makes their climbing skills extraordinary. Their ankle joints can rotate a full 180 degrees, allowing their hind feet to turn backward. This rotation lets squirrels descend trees head first while still gripping the bark securely with their claws. Instead of backing down like many animals, they can run straight down trunks with control and speed. This ability helps them escape predators quickly and move efficiently between branches and the ground in their tree-filled habitats. 12. Extreme heart rate drop in hibernation. Ground squirrels undergo an extraordinary physical change during hibernation to survive winter's harsh conditions. Their heart rate, normally around 200 beats per minute, can slow dramatically to as few as 4 beats per minute. This extreme slowdown reduces their metabolism and energy use, allowing them to live for long periods without eating or drinking. By conserving energy so efficiently, ground squirrels can endure months of cold weather underground until warmer temperatures return and food becomes available again. 11. Kissing behavior. When squirrels appear to be kissing, they are actually performing an important recognition behavior. By touching noses or faces, they smell scent glands located around the mouth and face. These glands release chemical signals that reveal valuable information about the other squirrel. Through scent, they can identify individuals, recognize family members, detect reproductive status, and assess health. This close contact helps squirrels maintain social relationships, understand hierarchy within their group, and decide whether another squirrel is a potential mate, rival, or relative. Ready your popcorn, because the next one will be interesting. And if you are enjoying facts like this, make sure you're to like and subscribe for more similar videos. 10. Temperature regulation. A squirrel's bushy tail plays an important role in controlling body temperature. In hot weather, the tail can act like a small parasol, shading the squirrel from direct sunlight and helping prevent overheating. During colder months, the same tail becomes a source of warmth. Squirrels often wrap it around their bodies like a blanket, trapping heat and protecting them from chilly air. This simple yet effective adaptation allows squirrels to stay comfortable and maintain stable body temperature in changing weather conditions. 9. Muscle memory for branch movement. Squirrels rely on remarkable muscle memory to move confidently through trees. As they leap and run along branches, their muscles quickly learn the unique flex, bend, and movement of each surface. This rapid motor learning allows them to adjust their footing instantly, even when branches sway or shift under their weight. With practice and experience, squirrels develop precise control over their movements. This ability helps them travel quickly through the canopy while maintaining balance and avoiding dangerous slips or falls. 8. Social learning. Young squirrels develop important survival skills by watching and learning from others around them. Through observation, they study how experienced squirrels find food, open tough nuts, and safely store their supplies. They also learn how to recognize and avoid predators by copying the reactions of older squirrels. This form of learning allows valuable knowledge to spread within the group without direct instruction. By observing successes and mistakes, young squirrels quickly gain the skills they need to survive in the wild. 7. Enhanced low-light vision. Squirrels are mainly active during the day, but their eyes are well adapted for dim lighting. Their retinas contain a higher number of rod cells, which are specialized for seeing in low-light conditions. This allows squirrels to remain active during dawn and dusk when light levels are weaker. With this enhanced vision, they can move through trees, search for food, and watch for predators even as daylight fades. These visual adaptations give squirrels an advantage during the quieter hours of early morning and evening. 6. Exceptional grip strength. Squirrels possess remarkable grip strength that allows them to move confidently through trees. Thanks to powerful leg muscles and specialized ankle tendons, they can hold their entire body weight using just one leg while reaching for distant branches or food. This strength provides excellent balance and stability, even on thin or slippery bark. With such control, squirrels can stretch, twist, and maneuver across the canopy without losing their grip. Their strong hold is essential for safe climbing, feeding, and escaping predators. 5. Swimming ability. Although they are known for climbing trees, squirrels are also capable swimmers. When they enter the water, they paddle with their legs while using their bushy tail as a rudder to help steer and maintain balance. This ability allows squirrels to cross rivers, ponds, or flooded areas when searching for food or new territory. Swimming can also provide a quick escape from predators on land. Their surprising skill in water helps them survive in environments where obstacles and waterways are common. 4. Branch physics awareness. Squirrels move through trees with an impressive awareness of branch strength and flexibility. Before jumping, they quickly assess branches using sharp eyesight and sensitive whiskers that detect subtle movements. This information helps them judge whether a branch can safely support their weight. By combining visual cues with tactile feedback, squirrels can decide how far to leap and where to land. This rapid evaluation prevents dangerous falls and allows them to travel confidently across the complex network of branches in the forest canopy. 3. Elaborate fake-out food caching. Squirrels use clever strategies to protect their most valuable food stores. When burying important nuts, they sometimes perform elaborate fake caching routines to confuse potential thieves. A squirrel may dig several holes, pretend to place a nut inside, and carefully cover the spot without actually leaving any food there. These convincing performances mislead other animals watching nearby. By scattering fake sites among real ones, squirrels make it much harder for competitors to locate their true caches later. 2. Tail multitasking. A squirrel's bushy tail is one of its most versatile tools. While leaping between branches, the tail acts as a counterbalance, helping the squirrel maintain stability and control in midair. It also serves as a communication signal, with different tail movements warning other squirrels about danger. During falls, the tail helps slow descent and stabilize the body, reducing the risk of injury. This multitasking appendage supports balance, communication, and safety, making it essential to the squirrel's survival in trees. Keep your eyes peeled, because our #1 pick will blow your mind. 1. Scent-based food sorting squirrels rely heavily on their keen sense of smell when managing their food supplies. By sniffing nuts and seeds, they can detect subtle differences in freshness and quality. This allows them to organize their hidden food caches more efficiently. More perishable items are often placed where they will be found and eaten sooner, while longer-lasting nuts can remain buried for later use. This scent-based sorting system helps reduce waste and ensures squirrels make the most of the food they collect. If you enjoyed these amazing squirrel secrets, please like this video and subscribe for more surprising stories from the natural world. Your support helps us continue exploring the hidden lives of the creatures that share our planet and bringing you fascinating facts you may have never heard before. Nature is full of small wonders, and sometimes the most ordinary animals around us hold the most extraordinary secrets. From clever survival strategies to unexpected intelligence, every species has a story waiting to be discovered.